Hello dear student, today we are going to see class 8 English warming up and chit chat of the lesson 1.2 Androcles and the Lion. Question number 1. Have you ever helped anyone? Why? Answer is I always help my parents at home because I owe something to them. Second question. How did you help him or her? Answer. I help my mother by giving what she wants in the kitchen, and I help my father whenever he tells me to do some work. Next question. Question number 3. Has anyone ever helped you in your need? Answer. One of my close friends helped me in my hour of need. Fourth question. How did you feel at that time? Answer. I felt very happy and satisfied. Next, question number 5. How did you show your gratitude to him or her? Answer. I show my gratitude to him by saying thanks, and whenever I got a chance to help him, I help him. Next question. Question number 1. Discuss with your benchmate and write down the names of any 5 stories of bravery that you have read or heard. Also name the brave hero or heroine of each story. First book is Chhawa. The best hero or heroine is Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Second book is Jhansi Ki Rani. Name of the hero or heroine is Rani Lakshmibai. Next, Pawan Khind. Baji Prabhu Deshpande. Next book, Vikram and Betal. The best hero is Vikram. And Alanushka, the best hero is Alanushka. Question number 2. Complete the facts about lions choosing from the alternatives. First, lions are called dash of the jungle. Answer is king. Second, lions belongs to the dash family of animals. Answer is cat. Third, lions are dash animals. Answer is carnivorous. Next, dash lions have a man around their neck, but lioness do not have it. Answer is cub male lions have a man around their neck, but lioness do not have it. Next, a group of lions is called a dash. Answer is pride. Next, lions attack only when they are dash. Answer is hungry. In this way, today we have completed the warming up and chit chat of the lesson 1.2 Androcles and the Lion. Dear students, if you like my video then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.